Okay, so I always like to ask the why in martial arts training. So when we break boards, why do we break boards? Test our power, help us on focus. So we were just doing a drill in sparring class today, movement drill. Looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. And so why are we moving to this side and not to the other side? So why am I not going like this? Why am I going this way? I'm moving to the back. I'm moving to Garrett's backside. Yes, so I can get an angle of attack. Excellent. I like that. Another detail is we're moving away from his power punch. So this is number 1. If I'm moving this way, it's to get out of the line of that power punch. So even if we weren't connected here and we're doing a little sparring, I'm always noticing where is that power punch. And I'm slightly moving away from that power punch. I especially know you're sparring with people in class. You know they got a heavy right hand. You know they got a heavy cross. You got to watch for it. You got to know where is that hand at all times. And if I move in, if I move towards that side, I'm moving into the danger zone and adding power to that punch. So I want to think I'm moving away from the punch, and he's got to reach. He's got to reach over, boom, boom, and then I'm coming in. Okay? So where's the power punch? Dictates which direction we rotate to. Okay? So I hope these details help you on your martial arts journey.